Hey, how's it going? Welcome to the channel. My name's Eric, and welcome. If you find any of this value, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. But today I'm showing a quick video for beginners that are just getting into trading and they want to just have a nice, easy setup, and then how to find some stocks. And I'm going to show you how to do it all for free on the free TradingView version. That's all I have is the free TradingView version. As you see, I've got this set up here, and you're like, what's all that? I will get rid of it real quick. Actually, the candles, I'll change those to regular candles. Hope you're not even more confused. Let's go to VOO because that looks a little bit nicer. And then I'm going to get rid of my indicators here real quick, and then I'll show you where to find these. So the first setup, because you can't trade with anything like this doesn't make any sense, is you want to do just a basic bottom indicator, and that's going to be MACD. So you just go to indicators here, and you can type in MACD. And it's going to be this one, the one that spells out moving average, convergence, divergence. Click on that one. That's your first one. You're going to pop up there. And you can read all about this in Investopedia, but basically when what you see down here, I'll make it bigger, when the blue line crosses this, there's momentum going up, and when it crosses, there's momentum going down. Not going to get too much into it, just showing you where to put it in. So you got that. That's a nice indicator. Now we're going to add some more indicators, moving average lines, and a nice buy and sell indicator. As always, I didn't mention this yet, but all this is educational, for educational purposes only. Remember, do your own research and due diligence with any information you get on the internet. But let's move on. I want to make this as quickly as possible. We've got better things to do. But so then we're going to go back up to indicators again, and we're going to type in SMA 9. Once you do that, you're just going to get these two, but you want the one by M. Phillips SVZ. It's right here. We want that one. As you can see, I got liked, and this thing pops up, and you're like, whoa. What's going on here? Well, this is very nice because it's got this white line down here. I hope you can see it is the 180, and it's the blue line is the 50. And their SMA smooth moving averages are moving averages. And then this 9 is this red one right here is the 9 moving average, or the SMA. And then you've got an EMA 20, which is this yellow one. So nice, you get 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. And then you get these buy sells that are pretty nice. They kind of coincide with this super trend. You get a nice super trend line here also. And so if this is too much for you, you can play around with it. You can just go here. There's this little thing here. I call it an octagon with the settings will show up. You can hit settings. You can change the colors, the barcodes. You're going to go to style. And I'll move this over. As you can see, if you click, maybe you don't like those chart lines. I call them super trends. I believe they're super trends. You can just get rid of those if you don't want. You still got the buy and sell if it's too much for you. You can get rid of the bar colors if you don't like them. You can get rid of the buy and sells, or if you don't, or you can just get rid of this super trend. But it's kind of helpful, a way to start. As you can see, let's see if this even worked. We're in VOO though, so if you would have bought, you actually went to the buy and followed it, you would have made 2.8%. So that's pretty nice. And there's even another one here. You would have bought here, sold here, hey, 1.8%. So pretty nice. They don't all work, but here's another one. Did it work also? 3 in a row. So pretty nice indicator. If you're new, you'll figure out different ones. And then, you got down here, you got the MACD to kind of reconfirm that this is really an uptrend. So you got the MACD, you got this whole system up here. If you're beginning, this is if you're new to trading, it's something to look at, and take this and paper trade with it. Don't put your own money in. Paper trade for 3 months, 6 months, a year. Till you really know what you're doing. Yeah, so we got this set up. So you're saying, well, how do I find stocks? TradingView has a nice way to find stocks. It's got a nice screener. So we're going to get out of here, and I can't. So we're going to go back real quick to TradingView. You're going to have to go up to the front page. Bear with me here. Thanks. So if you click on TradingView, you get this. And so we're just going to go to products, and it's got a screener, and we'll go to stocks. 14,000 is way too many stocks to go through, so we're going to go here, and we're just going to start out. You can type in MACD if you want. Make it quicker. MACD, we're going to click on that. Add filter. We'll want to click on it again. We want to make some changes, and we want to do level crosses up signal. Down to 400. Looking good. So we want to add some more. So we're going to click on here again. And then we're going to go to SMA, simple moving average. We're going to click on that guy there. And we're going to go with 200. We'll add the filter. Nothing's going to happen because we've got to go in here and make some changes. And we want below price. We want it below the price so that it means that the stock's been doing really well for 200 days. So there we go. You got 162. That's still too many for me. So we're going to go in here one more time. Do another SMA here. Simple moving average. We'll click on that again. But we're going to go to the 9-day, and we're going to add that. So we got that. We'll go back here. And then price above 0 to 10%. We don't want it too high. There we go. And there's nothing. I think I did that wrong. We want the price below 0 to 10%. There we go. Sorry. And then so we got 112. So that's pretty nice. We got the Best Buy here. We could check that out. See if this even adds up. And so yeah, it's got this. This is the 9, and it's just above, just a little bit. So some people like to get in there, right there. So this would be one we'd add to our list for a possibility. But we'll go back, and we can narrow this down a little bit. You can go in here and go to manual setup, and then you can just come up to here and go to 0 to 3% and apply this. Now you're down to 56 now. This is something worth working. Then you can just go by price, volume. I like to go with higher volume because I like liquidity, so I usually don't trade anything. I like to keep it above 500,000. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we got 8 nice stocks we could put through. Just click on them, take a look, put them on your ad list. Just a nice place to start. As you can see, there's a buy signal here. It's a little late, but you can still get in. You're searching, you're looking. If your strategy was to buy above the 9, this would have been a nice place to get in. As always, not financial or trading advice. This is all educational, but I hope this is a good place to start if you're a beginner and you're trying to figure this all out. So I don't like my videos to run too long. I hope I gave you a lot of great information. And as always, if you found anything of value here, go ahead and do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe button. Otherwise, we will see you on the next video. I hope you have a great day.